Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss one grammatical topic question tags. May you have heard the name about question tag, or may you have learned also in your lower standard about question tag. So, let us start with the explanation of the question tags. A question tag is a short addition to an assertive or imperative sentence asking for confirmation or agreement. So actually basically when tag is generally used for getting confirmation. Okay, you from a question tag by using the same auxiliary verb or form of be to be is as in the statement followed by a personal pronoun. The pronoun refers to the subject of the statement. Okay, pronoun which is refers to the subject of the sentence, otherwise statement. So you may know all kind of pronoun, already we have discussed in that speech also. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, they are the pronoun. So by using the pronoun we form question tag. Okay, if the name is given about any person name, okay, so suppose Mukesh, so we have to use he instead of it. Okay, we'll see this thing in a sentences, but you have to keep this in your mind. Now next students, more information about it. Addition of question tag in assertive sentence or statement, generally when an assertive sentence is in the affirmative form. Okay, positive affirmative, the question tag is negative. So whenever you have affirmative or positive sentences, you have to form negative question tag. Similarly, a negative assertive sentence will have an affirmative question tag. Okay, so if you have a sentence in negative form, you have to form positive question tag, and if you have a positive sentence, you have to form negative question tag. Okay, we will see with the sentences, don't worry about it. Now furthermore, statements containing words such as neither, no, neither, none, no one, nobody, scarcely, hardly, seldom are treated as negative statements. Okay, sometimes you will not have only no, but instead of that kind words you may have. So you have to understand this is a negative sentence. Now next beta, when the subject of the sentence is anyone. Okay, sometime subject, if you will see name of any person, okay, male or female, then you can understand. But if when the subject of the sentence is anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, none, neither, everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, we use the pronoun they. Okay, at that time you have to utilize they. Okay, sometime you cannot identify. Okay, the name is not given, otherwise any pronoun is not given, so what to do? Okay, and instead of that such kind of words you may find, okay, you have to think, okay, they pronoun must be used there. Now next beta, okay, when supplying a question tag to any kind of sentence. Okay, so which thing you supposed to keep in your mind? Okay, rewrite the given sentence. Okay, you have to write down the sentence whole. Sometimes some students, what they do not write a sentence. Okay, so their half mark will be cut. So make sure you have to write down the whole sentence, and then afterwards you have to utilize question tag. Now see, afterwards put a comma before the question tag. Okay, you have to put comma, okay, which is given over here, then add the question tag, then you have to utilize question tag and the sentence with a question mark, and then after you have to, okay, end the question mark. Okay, at the end of that question tag you have to put question mark. Okay, don't forget okay, putting question mark, otherwise you will, okay, not have a sufficient enough mark, full mark you will not have in the question tag. Now next beta, the absence of anyone the above renders the sentence incomplete. Observe the following stated example. So, okay, whatever guidelines have been given over here, so you have to utilize over here. Okay, we are trying to understand the examples. See, they in turn will be nicer to other people. Okay, so first of all, what you have to see, okay, the sentence is assertive, otherwise positive or negative. So you can see there is a no use of no, otherwise similar word. Okay, we have not seen any neither, none, no one, nothing. So what we have to keep in our mind, if your sentence is positive, your question tag will be negative, and if your sentence is negative, your question tag will be positive. So see, they in turn will be nicer to other people. So what you have to write down the whole sentence. Okay, they in turn will be nicer to other people, then comma, it is which is given now. You have to put comma, then afterwards, then will. Okay, you have to utilize short form of will. So what will be there? Want, you have to write down want and then pronoun. Okay, they, which is given. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to make short form of will and with not want. Okay, you may learn in your lower standard. Okay, want they and then question mark. You have to put compulsory question mark. Okay, then afterwards, beta, next, we are all telling the truth. Okay, we are all telling the truth. So what we have done over here, we have written the whole sentence, we are all telling the truth, then are. Okay, you have to pick up the verb. Okay, are, then aren't we, question mark. Okay, aren't we. Okay, are not, so short form aren't. Okay, this is a positive sentence, so we have form negative क्वेश्चन टैग. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. हिंदी में बता रहा बेटा, आपका कोई भी सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव है, हकार है, तो आपको नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग बनाना है, और अगर आपका सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है तो आपको पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चन टैग बनाना है. क्वेश्चन टैग बनाने में कुछ नहीं है, आपको वर्ब को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेना है और फिर उसके सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से उसका प्रोनाउन रख देना है और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, और वो आपको 9th और 10th और आगे मतलब कि नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में भी आएगा. ये सारे टॉपिक्स जो है आप पढ़ रहे हो, आपके मतलब कि 12th तक के समझ लेना है. ओके, सो पे प्रॉपर अटेंशन ऑन इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट बेटा, यू कैन सी it took him about half an hour to walk home. Okay, so it and then verb. Okay, you have to identify verb first. You can see over here, it took him about half an hour to walk home. Didn't it? Okay, you can say did is not given, but you should have knowledge about past tense. Already we have learned. Okay, this is okay positive sentence. Okay, assertive sentence of past tense. Okay, so you know subject plus V2 plus object, the pattern of the simple past tense. So you can say subject and V2 and then object and remaining sentence. Okay, now already you know, suppose if you want to turn assertive sentence into negative, you have to utilize did. So that is why didn't it is used over here. Okay, you have learned this thing. You should have knowledge of tenses, otherwise you cannot form the question tag. That is why we have learned much thing about the tenses. Okay, so past form didn't and then pronoun it is given, so don't worry about it. Now next beta, I shall be grateful to the game for this. The whole sentence, I shall be grateful to the game for this, then comma, then short form of shall, okay, negative shan't, and then I is given. Okay, now we are going to discuss one exceptional things over here. But I am tired. tired. So but I am tired, then comma, aren't I? So generally we think, okay, over here am and I should not use the over here. am already am is given, okay, am is given. तो हमने क्या किया, हर जगह पे मतलब कि वर्ब को नेगेटिव बना के और उसका सब्जेक्ट रख दिया है. तो यहाँ एम दिया तो एम एंड आई ना आए, पर ये एक्सेप्शनल है बेटा, और ऐसा ही पूछा जाता है, बोर्ड में भी ऐसा पूछा जाता है. जो एक्सेप्शनल, आपको पास ये नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. जब भी ऐसा सेंटेंस हो आई एम वाला पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, तो आपको क्या करना है, आरंट आई करना है बेटा. ओके, मेक श्योर, एक मतलब कि महत्व का है, बहुत ध्यान रखेंगे इस चीज़ को. बट आई एम टायर्ड, देन कॉमा, आरंट आई, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, एंड यू नो दिस थिंग्स, सेंटेंस एंड व्हाट से टेंस. Okay. Mishaps like this do occur occasionally. Okay, mishaps. Okay, मतलब कि क्रिश्चियनिटी के जो प्रीस्ट होते हैं उनके अलग अलग पोस्ट होते हैं, बिशप होते हैं, मिशप होते हैं, तो उनमें से है, बराबर. सो मिशप्स लाइक सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, मेक श्योर अबाउट इट दिस. ओके, मिशप लाइक डू अकर occasionally, then मिशप like this do occur occasionally, then comma, don't they. But if you do not have knowledge of tenses, you cannot do anything. Okay, because of that this is a v1. Okay, negative subject plus do does not v1 and object. Okay, so if you know this thing, then you can form the question tag, and that is why whatever the basic thing we have discussed in classroom also. So what is this don't they, mishap? Okay, we cannot write down don't mishaps question mark, this is wrong. Okay, they, because many are there, so plural form and then third person. Okay, we have discussed this thing. Now next beta, no price was too big to pay for freedom. Okay, no price, so price is this what? Okay, it, we can say the pronoun of price, it. No price was too big to pay for freedom. It is very easy. Okay, was is given, so wasn't it question mark. Okay, now next beta, these do not belong to you. These do not belong to you, do they see. Now you can see negative sentence is given, so you have to form positive question tag. Don't make any mistake over here. Okay, so do not is given, you have to remove not. Okay, do as well as and they, do is given. Okay, that is right. Now next beta, I must, model auxiliary, I must ask myself the question. I must ask myself the question. So I must ask myself the question, mustn't I? Okay, so must not negative, mustn't short form, and then I question mark. Okay, so same thing. Now next beta, they could never reach the ultimate decision. They, which is given. Okay, they could not they could never reach the ultimate decision, could they, and then question mark. ओके, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. कुछ नहीं है ज़्यादा, आपको टेंस का, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी का जो हमने बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाया है, जो बच्चों ने क्लास में ध्यान दिया है, आगे के वीडियो भी देखे, उनके लिए ये चीज़ें प्रॉब्लमेटिक होगी नहीं. और पक्का ये एग्जाम में आएगा बेटा, क्वेश्चन टैग इस बार मतलब कि एग्जाम में आएगा, जो आपको बराबर अच्छी तरह से काम करना है उस पर. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग दिस थिंग्स. ओके, that now we are going to discuss something about imperative sentence. Okay, and I hope we have discussed this thing, everything in a indirect speech. Okay, there are different kinds of sentences. Okay, affirmative, then interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Okay, so there are some thing about imperative sentence. Again, I am reminding you about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence generally used which starts with verb. Okay, so you can see, bring me food. Okay, bring me food. So bring me food, want you. Okay, आपको पहले भी बताया कि जब इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस सामने वाले को ध्यान में रख के बोला जाता है जनरली, उसका मतलब कि सुनने वाला यू ही होता है, बराबर। तो आपको उसमें ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपका प्रोनाउन मतलब कि आपको जनरली यू को ध्यान में रख के हम करेंगे। देखते हैं सेंटेंसेस। ब्रिंग मी फूड, ओके, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, ब्रिंग मी फूड, ओके। वॉन्ट यू, अब नहीं लाओ, विल, क्वेश्चन मतलब फ्यूचर में बात जा रही है, ओके। सो वॉन्ट यू, शो मी योर टिकट्स बॉयज, बॉयज दिया, ओके। शो मी योर टिकट्स बॉयज, शो मी योर टिकट्स बॉयज, विल यू, ओके। आप मुझे टिकट दिखाओगे, तो फ्यूचर टेंस की बात आ गई। नाउ नेक्स्ट बेटा, गेट अप, गेट अप, ओके, विल यू। नाउ नेक्स्ट, try that again, try that again, try that again, want you, okay. Now get into the habit of rising early, get into the habit of rising early, get into the habit of rising early, will you. So sometime you may try to understand, ओके, कि ये तो पॉजिटिव दिया है और पॉजिटिव का क्वेश्चन टेक पॉजिटिव है, तो मैं आपको उसका क्लियरेंस देता हूँ बेटा। यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, इन द केस ऑफ इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस द क्वेश्चन टेक डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंटोनेशन ऑफ द स्पीकर। स्पीकर हम कभी कभी आप दिखाओगे, अदरवाइज नहीं दिखाओगे, ये तरीके से बात करते हैं, टोन पे होता है, टोन को समझ के हम ये सेंटेंस को न्याय देते हैं। So when the sentence containing rising intonation, the question take may be affirmative, मतलब positive or negative, okay, नकार। However, if there is falling intonation, the question take is generally affirmative, okay, falling, तो आपको affirmative positive रखना है, okay। The following example will illustrate this point. So that is what, make sure about this thing. Get into the habit of rising early, okay, get into the habit of rising early, will you, यहाँ नेगेटिव दिया नहीं है, okay। Now next, stay there, will you, okay। let's help them, shall we, okay, लेट आए तब आप, okay, shall का यूज कर सकते हैं, ओके। और we, all we are, okay, let's help them, let us ask ourselves, so let us ask ourselves, shall we, question mark। stop the machine, will you, okay, आप बंद करोगे। take him away, will you, क्वेश्चन मार्क, आप उसको ले जाओगे। तो आप मतलब कि जो लैंग्वेज का आरो देख के किया जाता है, पर कोई बात नहीं, आप मीनिंग उसका समझ के आपके ओके लेवल से आप वो करोगे, इसमें कोई चिंता नहीं है। और एग्जाम के लिए तो आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन वाले सेंटेंसेस मिलेंगे, बराबर, जिसमें आपको ज़्यादा तकलीफ रहेगी नहीं। हाँ, एक्सेप्शनल रहेंगे, जैसे RNT आया था, ऐसा सेंटेंस आने की चांसेस है, ओके। सो थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, ओके। एंड afterwards, okay, this thing I will send some exercise, so you have to write down this thing in your grammar notebook also, okay। Thank you, have a nice day. Suppose if you have any question, any query, you can send me message also.